Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. I don't know what is going on with my hair, you guys. I don't know, but we're gonna let it go. So anywho, I picked up some things in store and I had an order that I was supposed to pick up and I don't know how I managed to do it, but I end up hitting ship. So we have one. We'll probably go through the ship box first just because there's only like 4 items in it. So I think I'll start there, and then we have a pretty good sized bag with a bunch of goodies in it, some new, some repurchased, and we'll go over everything when I pull it out. First we'll start with this. I got shampoo for my son. My mom got him started. She used to give him shampoo all the time. She did. I'm not even joking. And she used to give him this one. And I used to love this one too, by the Wella brand. And he's just gotten so spoiled on it. This is the only thing he will wash his hair in, you guys. I'm not even joking. He ran out. I offered him some of mine. And no, we had to go, well, we were going to go to the store to pick it up, but we got this. So he's like really spoiled on it. He won't use anything but that. The next thing is the Nars Climax. I actually got the full size, you guys. You all know that I do not go all out for full size mascaras ever because I just don't care for them. I usually go through them and then I want a new one of a different kind. Like, they don't work out for me and I just want to change them up. But you guys, I got the big one this time. And let me know if you guys recognize this. It kind of looks like the tip of the brush, like the whole brush is a little different from the sample size. I feel like this one is skinnier, and this is what I have on my lashes today. It's the only mascara that I've been using probably for maybe 3 months, 4 months, something like that. I don't know. I've like been addicted. I've only used that one. Okay, so the next product is, this is that Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. And it is by the brand Cetaphil. Now, I will tell you, since I've had on the antibiotic for my acne, I know I feel like I'm too old for acne, but since I've been on that, like, everything just seems to dry my skin out and I can't find anything good. So my dermatologist recommended this one to me, but she didn't recommend the gel. She just told me to get the cream one. But in the daytime, when I put my makeup on, I feel like my skin gets really oily from the cream one. So it's a little heavier, thicker consistency, so I use that one at night. This one I got for the daytime, and so far so good. It doesn't seem to be as oily, but it does seem to be smoothing, hydrating, and all that good stuff. And I like how they make the jar look glass, and it's not. It looks bougie. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It almost looks like a cream, but it's clearly a gel, you guys. Like, it's definitely a gel. I feel like this is like watery, so it goes on very nice, and it just feels like it smooths and calms the skin. Like, it feels like a real good luxury product, you guys. I'm not even joking. I'm just about out of this one. I already have this one. It's the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. So I probably got like 2 more uses on the one that I have in my vanity. So I needed to pick up an extra one, so when I run out, I don't have to go all crazy. And this is what that one looks like. And it is just a cream, you guys. And this one feels nice too. I like this one. It's a little heavier, like I said, but I like how the gel goes into the skin because it feels like water. It just like smooths all over the skin. I'm telling you, it is a facial in itself, you guys. It is amazingly nice. I feel like it just really calms my skin down. Sometimes my skin will feel like raw from all the antibiotic and stuff that I put on there for my acne, and I just feel like everything else is just like irritating it, but that one just really feels like it calms. Okay, you guys, here is the big bag. Oh, also, they were doing 40% off, so if you bought one of those products, you got the other one 40% off. So let's just start there because I bought a couple new products. Actually, this is a restock. These are just the makeup remove and wipies, and I do really love these. I feel like the towel is very moist and very thick, so it actually helps getting off all the makeup without irritation to your skin. So again, if you have sensitive skin or you're acne prone or something like that, this might be really good as far as not irritating the skin any worse than what it is. I do love those, and I think those are like $12 for, I can't even see that. I think it's 25 towelettes. So it's like $12 for 24 towelettes. And then this is something that I've been using the past couple days too, because I wanted to try it out. It's a gentle exfoliant daily scrub. This one, the first time I use it, like I said, I don't know, because my skin is just so irritated from everything so far, but it kind of like felt like stinging or burning. And then I used it again yesterday and I didn't feel anything from it. So it might have just been the first time of my skin feeling kind of raw and irritated a little bit. but this is really nice, and I love the smell. It kind of reminds me of like a baby scent body wash or something. That's what it reminds me of as far as smell goes. And then I've been on this new kick too. I've been like spending so much money for like high-end products, for lotions and stuff like that, and it does nothing really for my skin. So I started to look at the commercials, and I went to try this one. It's Cerave moisturizing cream, and I will tell you, I haven't been using it for a few days, you guys. That's how my skin looks so crappy. But when I use this, like the first application, my skin is so moist, looks smoother, feels great. I don't have itchy skin, so I've just been like using this. I originally bought it for my hands, but I've been using it all over my body, and I have really been enjoying this so much. It says moisturize and helps restore to protect skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. I totally would highly recommend this, you guys. It's really good, especially if you have sensitive and dry skin. I would definitely pick that up. Another repurchase is just the Tree Hunt Tropical Glow, and it is a shave oil. And this is like one of my favorite scents, you guys. I do not shave anything. I do not use anything else on my legs to shave except for this. Like I use this all over every part that I'm going to shave. I use this, you guys, everywhere, just so you know. And I really do like it. Like my skin does not feel dried out or anything. It feels very nice and smooth. One more thing I did. I saved the box so I could show you. But I already just did my hair. Look at that. I bet you guys couldn't even tell that I did my hair. It looks really good. No, I'm just joking. But I always get this in 2NNA Periscar. I don't know. I can't pronounce that. We know how it rolls around here, but it's the darkest black color. And this is the box, and it is by Madison Reed. And you get everything that you need right here. You get the gloves, the barrier cream, the cleansing cloth, the shampoo, conditioner, the cap, 2 sets of gloves, and then your coloring kit. And the thing I like about this is it does really like cover everything, but it doesn't have like the ammonia and all the harsh chemicals that you would normally get in the cheaper box dyes. Don't have any irritation. A lot of them make my skin like burn or itch. None whatsoever, you guys. This is amazing. Try it out if you haven't already tried it. I think it's like 30 bucks or something. Now, let me tell you, I know this seems very bougie to buy deodorant for like $18. Please don't judge. But it is by the Truly brand, and it's unicorn fruit. That's what sold me, and the color. So this is the second one. I just ran out of my other one. This lasts me forever, and like, no joke, you can put this on after the shower at night before bed, and it lasts you until the next day when you take a shower if you don't reapply it. It's freaking amazing, you guys, and it smells really good. Nothing special. It just looks like that, but it smells like really good, really good. Check that out if you haven't already. You need that. Like, you need all of it, okay? But if you're only gonna take one thing away, get the deodorant. So, new perfume. This is, I opened this when I got this because like I get so excited. I just can't wait. So, this is the Versace, however you want to pronounce it. I don't know. Don't come at me for butchering the names, you guys. You already know if you've been on my channel. It's called the Dylan Purple. I love the turquoise, you guys. One of my favorites. It smells so good. This one caught my eye when I was up there. It's like, new one. I got to try this out, right? And then I sprayed it, and it lingered on my clothes for days. And I had to have it, you guys. I just had to have it. Look at all that goodness. I'm actually going to spread some while I'm talking to you guys because I need to pick me up. It smells so good. It smells so good. I think I'm going to take my hair down. This is getting on my nerves. So yeah, that's the last product in this whole Ulta haul. You kind of need everything I showed you. Kind of do. I don't know. Anywho, so if you guys enjoyed this video, leave me a comment, give me a like, and if you don't mind subscribing, because we all know that helps us out so much here on YouTube. If you have any questions, leave them. If you have a comment, you just want to talk, leave it. Also, if you've been trying out any of these products, leave me a comment. Let me know which you guys have. Also, leave me your channel. I'll check it out. Until next time, guys. Bye.